Why don't you ever play hide and seek with a senior tour group in New Zealand? Because good luck hiding when everyone's arguing about who lost their glasses at Hobbiton. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on New Zealand tours for seniors. Tip 1. Book senior-friendly tours. New Zealand offers a range of tours and activities that are perfectly suitable and enjoyable for seniors. When booking one, ensure it is senior-friendly to accommodate slower pace, provides amenities such as comfortable transportation, and has accessible facilities. Tip 2. Travel health insurance is key. Your health and well-being should be your #1 priority when travelling. Before embarking on your journey to New Zealand, make sure to purchase a comprehensive travel health insurance that covers any potential medical expenses, trip cancellation, or lost luggage. Tip 3. Pack appropriately for the weather. New Zealand's weather can be unpredictable, with the ability to change quickly. For this reason, layered clothing is essential. Also, be prepared with waterproof gear like raincoats and sturdy walking shoes for outdoor activities. Tip 4. Stick to the city if you prefer. While New Zealand is known for its outdoor adventures and nature-oriented activities, there are plenty of urban adventures for seniors in cities like Auckland or Wellington. These cities offer many senior-friendly attractions like museums, art galleries, and city tours. Tip 5. Use senior discounts. New Zealand offers a range of senior discounts on transportation, accommodation, and activities. Always remember to ask if there are any discounts available for seniors when booking or purchasing anything. Tip 6. Practice safety. Although New Zealand is considered a safe country, always remember to keep an eye on your belongings, stay in well-lit and populated areas, and keep emergency contact numbers on hand. Tip 7. Stay hydrated and rested. Keep drinking water regularly and take plenty of rest stops to recharge, especially during activities. This reduces the risk of fatigue and dehydration. Tip 8. Be aware of local customs and etiquette. New Zealanders are known for their friendliness, and though they share many customs with other Western countries, they have their own unique culture and etiquette norms. Respect these to ensure a harmonious travel experience. Tip 9. Don't overexert yourself. Even though there are plenty of exciting activities in New Zealand, seniors should listen to their bodies and not overdo themselves. Allow plenty of downtime and relaxation in your itinerary. Tip 10. Consider using a travel agent. A travel agent with experience in arranging trips for seniors can take the stress out of planning, making sure all bases are covered from arrival to departure, including accommodation, transport, activities, and meals. Tip 11. Embrace the experience. Remember, the goal of the trip is to enjoy yourself. Senior travelling doesn't always have to be about being constantly on the go. It can also be about thoroughly experiencing the places you visit, immersing yourself in local culture, and making lasting memories.